Not all implants and doctors are created equal, and doing your research is smart with a procedure like this. Our next guest works at a superior level of precision and personalization and has the expertise to treat complex cases that require laser periodontics or full mouth rehabilitation with dental implants. We're joined today by Dr. Andrew Weber with Excellent Dental Specialist. Welcome. Nice to have you.
Thank you, Jen. Thanks for having me.
So why should someone choose a specialist for a full mouth rehabilitation?
Well, you kind of have to think or ask yourself, like, would you rather have someone who's had, a couple weekends of treatment or of training, or someone who's been doing or gone through 3 or 4 years or more of training before they actually step foot into the surgical room? So, and someone who does it, all the time. So, as we're also board certified, so we have a lot of different continuing education that we need to do, constantly.
Got it. So if a patient needs dental implants or a full arch restoration, what is the pricing for that? Is it affordable?
It is, and a lot of times I hear this a lot, it's kind of what we really value in life, but we have it anywhere from a single implant of about $2,400 all the way up to a full arch removable solution for a little over $10,000. But we have financing in place to make it very affordable, very easy for most people. And our financing people are fantastic. They won't, they'll check things without really doing a hard hit on your credit. So in case you're concerned about a lot of different things, we really take that into consideration.
And a lot of patients get this done, but what makes your practice different?
So I think we have the best practice in San Antonio. I got the best people, I really do. What's really unique is we kind of came about out of need. So we started doing a lot. I've been doing full arch cases, and we really specialize in a lot of that. That's we have an implant center. So I've been doing that for over 15 years. I've been a periodontist for 20 years. But we have a dental lab within our own practice. We have a dedicated team of about 30 people. We stretch between here and New Braunfels, San Antonio. So we're different in the fact that also we're not just an implant center. So if you have a tooth that's a problem, or you just have your upper teeth that are really in bad shape, and you need an all-on-4 or an all-on-6, what have you, on the upper, but your lower teeth are in good shape, we can help you with that lower arch and maintain and provide you levels of support and years of service. And that way you get the best out of your investment. And this is truly an investment. So we really want the best for our patients.
And I'm sure you've seen a lot of life-changing moments for you with people and their confidence and all of that, right?
It's great. I mean, my mother-in-law, I've done this for her, upper and lower. She went out and she has a new wig, a new car, a new man. It's really one of those things where it is life-changing.
Nice. Yes.
So there's people that have changed their name after this. Yes. So I had a combat vet. He told me, he's like, I'm so nervous to be here. This was more nerve-wracking than being in battle. So, dental anxiety is difficult. So we do a lot of sedation for that. And so we really try to help people out of all ages. And we're local. So I'm not a corporation. That's something that's scattered throughout the United States. We're here based in San Antonio, and I really love this city.
Wonderful. And speaking of helping them, you have an offer for viewers today.
Yeah, we do. So the first 15 callers who give us a call on the number that you see will get a complimentary exam and a cone beam scan. Upwards of the value here is $400.
Okay, the first 15 people to call will get a free consultation and a free CT scan worth $400. The number to call, 210-866-8896. And for more information, visit the website excellentdentalspecialist.com.